Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla Bakmi yakatnat puli puthi rakam esang ma hak arp sautri kulankor arja apusan. Ula penbena baka Sorkar kala rai bantai saya Tylli ki degree college pathamai hakani ke Jilla hapo unihi usnam arja apusan kata East Jaiñtia Hills but West Khasi as a string. Haka jing kram ikla pathai kubor usang mau laong ba yakajing terwala daban ajing menjuru da ka Sorkar pedeng. Ulai thuru bakatnat puli puthi kala deb ban kre ban penmi yak advertisement na ka banta ban thungkam yaki shispa ngut kinong hikai bar kinong trei hakini ki Tylli ki degree college.
Look, education department is really what you call the challenges of the last 40-50 years. You know, we have the highest number of schools, highest number of teachers than the other state of the country as per our population. We have the highest number of categories of the teacher. But however, we don't have enough infrastructure. We don't have enough what you call the institutions in the state. However, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, we have started lots of transformation. In last 5 years governance of the MD under the Honorable Chief Minister, we have constructed a new branded, we call it, new buildings for the colleges, for the secondary schools, for the primary schools, and for other professional institutions, be it the polytechnics, be it the ITIs and all, right? And also for the historic, we have come up with our own state university. The two degree college, like in Paterkama, the Rongzeng has already completed, and the academic already started in Rongzeng, and from Paterkama will be starting from this academic. And Maupelang and Managan Science and Commerce College will be academic start, as already announced by Honorable Chief Minister, will begins from this academic. And the ministry has already approved, and we'll be having 2 more new degree college in East Jaiñtia, I think if I'm not wrong, clear it is East Jaiñtia Hills, and one West Khasi Hills. There's 2 more degree college will be established from this academic. One is in East Jaiñtia Hills and was in West Khasi Hills. We are recruiting. So even today, yesterday, we have come up with advertisement for the recruitment of more than 100 faculty members, assistant professors, and we will be coming up with a advertisement by today or tomorrow for the recruitment of the government LP school teacher. And there are many more, and we are working out. Yes, there's a lot of challenge and dynamics, but however, government is on the job. The government is already, Honorable Chief Minister, head of the government, is already clearly stated earlier that it is the question of approaching doesn't arise. It is a choice of the institutions and the colleges of the state, because there's other things like the whole idea coming up with a state university for the comfortable and convenience of our state students, right? Look with the central universities, always central rules to be followed. It's sometimes very difficult for answers for the state institutions. Therefore, look for the sake of CUT, entrance examination, where all our students doesn't qualify. We don't have the center also. For all this reason, we have to seek again and again exemption again and again. So sometimes it is not feel wise to seek again and again exemption. We should find a solution. We should find the permanent solution. Therefore, the whole idea is to give the permanent solution to our students. Therefore, Honorable Chief has already stated that it is a choice of the institutions of the state. Let the college decide where they want to implement. But however, yes, as a state, JW is a state-sponsored university which will rule by the state rules and of course will be governed by the UGC, right? But however, with respect of admission in the art formula, it's a state rule, right? So therefore, to make it easy for the students, right? So we have come up with this state universities after the institutions whether to affiliate or not to affiliate. But however, it's a university to take a call, and we have written to all the colleges to discuss and to decide on this.
So how many affiliated till now?
No, it is the process yet to start, right? It is just a beginning. Process is to start. Lots of procedure has to be done because the university is being started from the scratch, right? It's just a beginning. So the process has to be followed. There are lots of procedures to be followed before it comes to the finalization of the, I mean, affiliation, right? It will take time.
But then there were some colleges already affiliated.
It is not affiliated, but they have submitted the willingness or application only. The procedure to process has to be followed, right? So it is just the beginning, and lots of procedure to be followed, and it will take some time because it is a university has to take a call on the formulation of the regulation and the others related formalities. There are lots of things to be done more.
What about the Shillong campus of the university?
No, it is already announced, already in the pipeline. We are searching for the temporary campus right now at the moment. We will looking for the space, right? We are even looking for the NIT campus Mukra, because since the NIT has been shifted, but that is belong to the Nehu, right? Earlier was the Disney complex Nehu. So we are looking that campus also for the temporary campus for the Shillong campus. But however, for the permanent campus in the Shillong, we are looking for the land, and we are writing to the government for a allocation of the land from the urban affairs for the education department for this setting up permanent campus in Shillong.
Earlier the plan was in Maulai Shillong Engineer College premises.
No, the process is on. The process is on. If so, that we also can rule out also, right? We can start temporary also there also. But since we are working out to start the engineering college at the earliest possible, if it takes time, yes, that is another option. We have lots of options, right?
Right, sir. About the Maulai Engineering College, last time you informed that it is yet to fit into the guidelines of the space and all of that, of whatever is required. So where does it stand now, sir? Does it
No, we are working out with the ministry for all this. I mean, affiliation. I mean, coordination first. After that, we can start. So all of things. The process is on. We are on the pitch already.
What I meant was the required infrastructure.
No, we have come up with our amendment of the. I mean, what you call amendment? We can call it amendment. I don't know. Some. I mean, modification as per the requirement by the AICTE. We are working on it.
It's done or still?
It is not done. It's on the process. In the middle of the process.